Hello, and welcome to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today, we're going to be doing a guided meditation with the soothing and supporting gemstone, Angelite, the stone of awareness. For those who are new to the channel, my name is Shannon, and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist, and I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, tools, and opportunities to practice incorporating crystal healing into your everyday life. And these guided meditations are an opportunity to practice, to sit with a gemstone, feel its energy, and see how you react to it. And today we're going to be doing that with Angelite, this wonderful stone that helps to connect you with inner and external sources of wisdom. So you don't need a gemstone to benefit from this meditation. If you do have a piece of Angelite, then you should go get that now and set that to the side. But if you don't have Angelite, then picture it in your mind while you go through the meditation. And if anything really speaks to you or triggers you, then that's a sign you should get some Angelite and work with it some more. If you haven't already seen the video, Improving Your Life with Angelite, then you may want to pause this video and go watch that one. I'll link it up in the eye above. And that'll give you a feel for the benefits and the energies of Angelite before we start the meditation. And if after the meditation you feel like Angelite's a stone that you would like to explore more, then I do have a Reiki tumbled Angelite bracelet and gemstone sets and Angelite pendants in my online crystal healing store, and the link for that is in the description below. So if you have your gemstone, or you're ready to imagine it, then all you need for the meditation now is a comfortable place to sit. So that could be on a cushion on the floor, it could be in a chair, or it can be outside directly on the ground, which is a favorite for me. But the most important aspect is that you'll be able to sit comfortably and alert for about 10 to 15 minutes. So once you're ready to get started, then find your comfortable seat and let's begin. So close your eyes and take several slow, deep breaths. Notice what it feels like to just breathe right now. How does your breathing feel to you? Smooth and comfortable, tight? Just watching and noticing. And then bring your awareness to your body and how it's feeling right now. Are there any aches, tensions, numbness, anything that stands out to you right now? And same with your emotions and your mind space. What is it like right now? We're not trying to change anything or fix anything. It's just important to notice how things are for you at the beginning of this meditation. And then bring your attention to the points on your body that are touching the floor and the ground beneath you. And taking note that you are sitting on top of the entire earth. You are supported by the earth, and you're in contact with all of its energy. And it holds you and protects you during this meditation. So pick up your piece of angelite and place it in your non-dominant hand. This is your receiving hand and will receive the energies of the angelite. And if you don't have a piece of angelite, just imagine a sky blue stone in your mind. And then take a moment to just feel your piece of angelite in your hand. How much does it weigh? How does the surface feel as you move it around in your hand? Take a minute to get to know your piece of angelite. And notice if anything has changed for you in your body, emotions, and mind since you've picked up the angelite. And imagine you're surrounded by giant white wings made out of bright white cleansing energy. They fold around you like a giant hug and support and soothe you. And sit with this image of angelite energy for a minute. Angelite is the stone of awareness. And as you sit with your angelite stone, or imagine it in your mind, consider the following questions and how they apply to your life right now. Do you want to make contact with your spirit guides and guardian angels, or deepen and strengthen the connection that's already there? Are you trying to awaken your intuitive and psychic abilities? Are you looking for guidance from a higher source about your life situations? Do you want to be able to access your own inner wisdom and truth? Are you trying to live more authentically and truthfully? all of these life situations are supported by Angelite. And if one of these scenarios stood out to you more than the others, then bring that back to you. And think about it and consider it for a few minutes while you hold or imagine the Angelite. Notice if anything changes about the way that you feel about that situation while you hold the Angelite. And we're not trying to force anything, just notice the changes. It may take a couple of meditations, but continue to think about that scenario while you hold the Angelite. Bring your awareness back to your body. Notice if anything has changed in your body, your heart, and your mind since you started this meditation with Angelite. Release the image of the Angelite energy and release the situation you were considering and just come back to your breath. Continue breathing slowly. When you feel ready, then open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me during this guided meditation with Angelite, the stone of awareness. And I hope that you found this useful to your current life situation. And if you did, if you found that Angelite is a stone that you'd like to work with some more, then these meditations are meant to be repeated about 2 to 3 times a week for a couple of weeks until you can quickly call up the energy of the Angelite as soon as you pick it up. You really want to feel the support of your angel guide. So you pick it up and it's there. That is the essence of incorporating crystal healing into your daily life, knowing the situations that you want support with, which gemstones will help you, and when to use them. Thank you so much for joining me. And if you're new to this channel, then I talk about a different gemstone every single week. On Thursdays, I post informational videos about the benefits of a given gemstone, and on Saturdays, I post a guided meditation with that gemstone. So if you're interested in getting a really good in-depth study of different gemstones and finding out which ones support you most, then make sure to subscribe to the channel so you'll see whenever I post a new gemstone video. Thank you all, and I hope to see you again next week.